Databases are a very powerful tool which is sometimes underappreciated by many businesses. What I want to do here is just showcase the usefulness and the power of a database, more specifically a relational database, which is the more common database that you would find in businesses. This is a small project that I'm busy working on for a construction company, and basically what they want to see, or what they want to be able to do, is to keep track of all their costs and then be able to generate specific reports so that they can view costs filtered by different metrics. So the way a relational database functions is that you can create links between different tables. So you would record all your data in separate tables um, according to very specific rules that the database works by. The data is recorded in separate tables, and then you would link those tables by using primary or foreign keys, which is a type of which is an ID essentially for a specific data table. And then through that you can create specific views and reports for the data, and also you can see very specific data. You see only the data that you want to see essentially. So just as an example, one of the tables that we've got is the building phases. One is the names of the suppliers and also all their details, and then we've got materials here. This database hasn't been used yet, so all the information isn't real, but just to demonstrate how it works. So you've saved all this data separately, and then when you go into the database, you can add a material payment, a payment that is made for materials. So then you can add the date. You can say you bought electric piping. The supplier, you bought that from Build It. It was bought for the building phase. So we bought 12 units, and that amounted to 600 rand. So if we save that, then we can go and have a look at what we purchased. So if we say we want to see everything that we purchased filtered by supplier, then we can say, okay, our supplier was Build It, and then we can generate a report such as this, which says that for the supplier Build It, these are the materials that we purchased. So on these dates we purchased these materials, and then it can give you any relevant information that you'd like to see about the supplier or about the purchase that you made. So this is the report. So you will save the tables. Another very useful feature is the queries. Essentially, a query will combine data from different tables. So a query will combine data from different tables, and also it will give you the ability to choose what data you would like to see. So the question that pops up here, essentially this report is linked to a query. So you will see that material costs by supplier, if we open this query, we will get the same question, and this is the table where that query is linked to. So essentially you save the data in very specific tables based on specific rules. You can create queries to combine the data and to filter the data, and then you can view the data with reports. So that is the very basics about how a relational database will work. Very useful. And what I've used here is the Microsoft Access database.